Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ISO mount option missing in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you've typed that, click on open to proceed. Okay, so once you are here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Here you need to go with apps next to personalization. And here under the apps tab, look for default apps which contains defaults for file and link times and other defaults. Click on it. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see a search bar here under set defaults for application. Just have to type for disk imaged. Once you've typed that, this will appear, which is Windows Disk Image Burner. Click this forward arrow to proceed, and here you would be able to see this .isl. Just have to click this arrow icon here and change this into Windows Explorer, which is the suggested apps. Go with set default, and once you have set it, just have to close this window and there you go, you have just fixed your problem. Okay? So if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.